What's up, guys? I'm Mike from StockedUp. In this video, I'm going to be doing a stock market analysis and then giving some of my predictions for the next couple days. So we obviously had one of the quickest downfalls in the stock market ever in the past 2 to 3 weeks. So this was the biggest 30% drop ever recorded. And then, as you'd expect, the market did have a small bounce back. The stock market was up a little bit over 1,300 points today, which is pretty good. But the thing is the bad news that we've been seeing for the past couple weeks is still going on. So today, 3.3 million people in America filed for unemployment, which is a record number. So like back in like the Great Recession in 2009, the highest point of unemployment was about like 700,000 people. Today, the jobs report came out at 3.3 million people. So that's obviously horrible news. But the thing is, the reason that the stock market bounced earlier in the week was because the stimulus deal was passed by the Senate, and that's it's getting introduced to help businesses and individuals too, and that's good. That's great. But the problem is the virus is still spreading, and companies are still getting affected by it, and people they're still not going to work. So there's obviously still a lot of economic impact from the virus that's still going on. So here's what I think, and here's what I'm projecting. So we needed a bounce no matter what. The stock market fell too hard, too fast. There had to be a good bounce. Now, here's the thing. I personally think that we still have more room to fall in the stock market. I'm not saying the stock market's going to go down tomorrow or even Monday or whatever. But I am saying is I think we could definitely, at minimum, retest the lows on the Dow at, what was it, about, let me see, at about 18,200, somewhere around there. That doesn't mean tomorrow, but the thing is, I definitely do see us, having a bounce or a fall back down. Personally, I think we could very well see it tomorrow, if not Monday. Right now, futures are already down 150 points. I would say there's about maybe like a 60 to 70% chance we see a red day tomorrow. We've had 3 big green days in a row, and to be honest with you, Boeing is, it's a part of the Dow, and Boeing is really leading the way. So Boeing is the main reason the market's up. Boeing literally is up 80% this week, and they're a huge member of the Dow, so obviously that's going to drag a lot of the other stocks up too. But I do see a short side potential in Nvidia and McDonald's. Those are just 2 plays I like. Of course, a SPY would be great too for SPY options. But I do see, I definitely do see a bounce back down coming. I definitely see the market falling. The thing is, though, you could get some pretty good options, like especially on McDonald's right now. IV is low relative to the past 2 weeks. Overall it's high, but I'm saying for the past 2 weeks, IV is low, and you can get a pretty good deal on some of these put options. Nvidia is pretty good too. Their options are crazy expensive though, but they do move a lot. So I like McDonald's if you're looking for that. McDonald's, great play. Even SPY, SPY is a good play too. The VIX has been up recently. It hit a little bounce down, but overall it's still up. And that shows that investors are still scared. But the thing is, I definitely do see a bounce down. The news came out a couple hours ago. If we go to CNBC.com, you can check live news on CNBC. The U.S. now has more coronavirus cases than China and Italy, so that's huge. Now we're the we're the top dogs in terms of how many coronavirus people we have infected. So that's a huge deal. But Boeing really led the way up. I do see a lot of opportunity on the way down, but there's a chance that we can keep going up for a day or 2 more. So let me know what you guys are watching for the next couple days. What you guys think on the market overall. We did have a huge fall, and I do think long term you could get some really great stocks. Like I got Boeing at $100. I know Hunter in the Discord, and you'll probably see him in the comments down below. He picked up Boeing at like $95 per share, which is awesome. There's still a lot of great value plays. Like when Coca-Cola fell and even McDonald's, McDonald's and Coke aren't going anywhere. You know what I mean? They're going to be around for a long time. Johnson and Johnson, value stocks, Procter and Gamble. Those companies aren't going anywhere, so you can get some great prices on those. So like I said, let me know what you guys are watching for the next couple days and even for long term, what you think in the market. Let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, thanks for watching.